In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download bulk files and attachments from Salesforce. We'll start right from the Salesforce homepage in Lightning Experience. Make sure you're logged in with a profile that has the data export permission. From the top right corner, click the gear icon and open Setup. If you see an option labeled Setup for the current app, go ahead and select that so you're working within the Lightning Setup experience. Once Setup opens, use the Quick Find search box on the left and type Export or Data Export. From the results, click Data Export to open Salesforce's native export tool. This is the feature that will package your data into downloadable zip files, and it's the one we'll use to capture bulk files and attachments along with your records. On the Data Export page, you'll see the monthly export service. This lets you automate recurring backups of your org's data. Click into the monthly export service to review the options, and then choose Schedule Export if you want Salesforce to run this backup on a regular cadence. If you need the files immediately, click Export Now to kick off a one-time export. Before you start the export, choose your export file encoding. For most users, UTF-8 is a reliable choice, especially if your data includes special characters or multilingual content. Next, enable Include Images, Documents, and Attachments. This is a key setting. Without it, classic attachments and documents won't be part of your export. Right below, select Include Salesforce Files and Salesforce CRM Content Document Versions. This ensures you capture modern files, their versions, and any CRM content stored in your org so you get a complete snapshot of your file assets. You'll also see an option called Replace Carriage Returns with Spaces. Turning this on can make your CSVs easier to work with in spreadsheets and other tools by keeping line breaks from splitting values across multiple lines. It doesn't alter your data in Salesforce, it just changes how the exported text is formatted. Scroll to the Exported Data section to decide which objects to include. You can select Include All Data if you want a comprehensive backup, or you can handpick specific objects. For example, you might select campaigns if that's what you need for a targeted export. If you're only demonstrating a selection and prefer not to apply it, you can cancel out of the selection to return to the default list without saving changes. When your options are set, click Start Export. Salesforce will queue the job and begin preparing your files. Large orgs or exports that include many files and attachments can take time, so don't worry if it's not instant. You'll see a confirmation message that your export has been queued, and you'll receive an email notification when it's completed. A few tips as you wait. Exports are delivered as one or more zip files. If you included attachments, files, and CRM content versions, expect multiple archives and be sure you have enough local storage to extract them. Keep track of retention windows too. Export download links typically expire after a limited period, so plan to save them to your secure storage promptly. If you're working in a sandbox or a lower environment, remember that the available data and files may differ from production. And if you run into encoding issues when opening CSVs, try importing them into your spreadsheet tool with UTF-8 explicitly set. That's the full walkthrough. Open Setup, find Data Export, choose the monthly export service, select Export Now or schedule it, set your encoding, include images, documents, attachments, and files, decide on carriage return handling, choose your data, and start the export. Once your job completes, watch for the notification so you can retrieve your archives. This process gives you a reliable, native way to download bulk files and attachments from Salesforce for backup, analysis, or migration.